this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily fix NotCoin problems. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do, if you are on your iPhone, you want to open up settings. From settings you want to go to general. From general you want to go to iPhone storage. Then you need to wait for it to load up what it needs to load up, and from there you want to find Telegram like so, and basically you want to delete app. So as I said, you want to click on delete app, which will basically uninstall the app, and then go back to the App Store and just download Telegram again from here. If you are on your Android, open Google Play Store app. At the top right, tap the profile icon, tap Manage Apps and Device, then Manage. Tap the name of the app you want to delete, tap Uninstall. So now that you have uninstalled and installed Telegram, what you want to do is go to X or Twitter, go to the search, go to the top on search and type in NotCoin and click on the first option and click on their link in bio. From here, you're going to get this message, then just click open Telegram and it's going to open up for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you see having some issues, let me know if there's a problem in the comments down below and I'll do my best to help you out.